What if I told you your wall clock could run without using a regular battery? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple DIY trick using parts from an old LED bulb that might completely change the way you power your clock. But here's the interesting part. The tiny component we're about to remove is something most people throw straight into the trash. Stay until the end because you'll see the clock come back to life in a very unusual way. And before we get started, let me know in the comments, what country are you watching from? I love seeing where everyone is watching around the world. First, grab an old LED light bulb. Carefully remove the white dome-shaped cover. Next, scrape away the glue holding the internal parts together. Once the glue is removed, gently pull out the LED circuit board. That's the only part we need for this project, so you can set the rest of the bulb aside. Take a close look at the circuit board. Using a pair of scissors, carefully cut out 2 LEDs from the board. Be gentle so you don't damage the copper pads attached to them. Now carefully remove the insulation around the copper contacts using a flathead screwdriver. Once the copper is exposed, apply a little solder with your soldering iron. This makes it much easier to connect the wires in the next step. Next, grab your clock motor. Solder the positive side of the LED to the negative terminal of the clock motor. Take your time to make sure the connection is clean and secure. Now grab a 4.2-volt lithium-ion battery and 2 pieces of wire. Solder one wire to the battery's positive terminal and the other wire to the negative terminal. Double-check your connections before moving on. Now solder the battery's positive wire to the positive terminal of the clock motor. Then connect the battery's negative wire to the negative side of the LED. With everything connected, we're ready to test it. Watch closely. The LED starts blinking. Now install the second hand onto the clock motor. And just like that, the clock begins to rotate. Pretty amazing to see it working. Now it's time to put everything back together. Place the clock mechanism back into its housing and tighten the screws. Next, reinstall the hands one at a time. Start with the alarm hand. Then the hour hand. Followed by the minute hand. And finally the second hand. Position the battery neatly on the outside so it's easy to access. And there it is. Your clock is running again. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves creative electronics. I'd also love to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Which country? Leave it in the comments. I read as many as I can. And if you have any questions or ideas for future DIY projects, let me know below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.